Welcome, everybody. It is Crypto Moose, and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're going to do on this episode is go over the price of Bitcoin, Cardano, and several other crypto projects. So right now we are Wednesday, July 16th of 2025, and there was a bill that just passed in Congress for the US. So this is pro crypto all across the board. So Bitcoin is sitting around 119, 120-ish. So I do like that. Now, is this the bull run that we've been waiting for? And is alt season going to happen? Those are two things that I'm sure a lot of you want to know. And it's my belief that we are going to have an alt season. Okay. So keep in mind, nothing in this video should be taken as financial advice. Invest at your own risk. But taking a look on the year, Bitcoin's performing very well. It's very steady, and it feels like we're not going to stop anytime soon. So Bitcoin is further solidifying itself as the store of value. So I do like that. And the big reason I think we are going to see an alt season, and if you look at the fear and greed, we're only at 68. I think we have a long ways to go. Alt season, we're only at 36 out of 100, according to the coin market cap little chart here. So alt season has not happened. So basically, Bitcoin pumps liquidity, funnels into Bitcoin, and then Ethereum, and then the alts. And the reason I believe alt season is approaching right now is because Ethereum is up so much. If you look on the day and in the week, I think it's performing well, 10%. And then look at it on the week. So we're starting to see liquidity, so money that's been thrown into Bitcoin and continues to be. It is now starting to go into Ethereum. And Ethereum is typically the first one to take most of the liquidity as an alt. And then, we'll see others do well. So Cardano, I am very bullish on right now. Midnight is just around the corner. I talked about it. I think Midnight, which is a new privacy-focused layer 1, that will be launched or claimable. You'll be able to claim your night tokens, I believe, around Rare Evo time. So that's going to be approximately the first or second week of August. And, that's only 3 to 4 weeks away. So did we break out of this falling wedge here? It kind of looks like it. I talked about it previously. If you guys are not subscribed, check out the channel. We've got tons of videos, so just go under videos. You guys can type in what you want. I've got ETH price predictions. I help you guys find different projects so that you can research. I teach you how to secure your crypto and more. So use that. Guys, use the link tree. And if you do own ADA, delegate to the Hedges stake pool. We're going to blow up that pool, okay? But yeah, man, ADA is doing really well. I think it's massive news what's going on just on all levels. Bitcoin is definitely here to stay. That's what it seems like. And Cardano, it's starting to feel like 2021 again, right? Maybe we have another mini leg down. I don't know. But I think we're going to see this. We're going to see a move. I definitely think we're going to see a move from where are we at now? 76 cents. We'll be at $2 before you know it. And then eventually we will break all-time highs. Smart contracts, Midnight, Hydra, you're going to have faster transaction speeds, potentially more throughput. It's just overall bullish for crypto. So I just did a YouTube short as well. So if you go under shorts, I did my top 3 cryptos to buy now, not financial advice. But I'm picking those up. And then 3 reasons Cardano will break all-time highs, previous all-time highs. So I think that's going to happen. Guys, comment down below. Do you agree with what I said in this video? I believe Cardano eventually, maybe this year, I do think it will happen this year. I think you'll see an $8 Cardano, maybe even get a little bit higher. But take profits. I always recommend that. That's what I do. You guys do whatever you want. You make your own decision. Sui, Sui's on one. It's been on my list for a while. I think this guy's going to do good. Sui, it's something new, right? A new layer 1. Sui's going to do well. Sui's going to do well. So guys, comment down below. What is your number one crypto you're holding? Are we going to get, are we going to break all-time highs again? So I think we got to 122 or 123. Let's see here. Yeah, 122.7. Wow. Beautiful. So I think we're going to eclipse this within a few days, potentially by weekend latest. So with that being said, guys, the moose is loose. Use code MOOSE. Pick up a Tangem, guys. Save 10%. If you do own a lot of crypto, you have to protect yourself. You can get a 3-card, 2-card set. 2-card set, under $50 USD still. And then if you want something a little more stylish, you guys can click here. So you've unlocked an exclusive deal. Promo code MOOSE applied. Enjoy 10% off your purchase. Absolutely. So I think this one looks awesome. This one I've already unboxed. I've done unboxings, how to set up, and more. I also have online courses. You guys do what you want. So that being said, the moose is loose. Comment down below. What do you want to see on the next episode? Do you think ADA is going to go to $8? Cheers.